The Anna blaze is spreading like wildfire. Vegetable vendors now join the general public for the corrupt-free cause.
Our India should be a corruption-free country.
லோக் மசாதா நம்மளுக்கு சாதகமா இல்லனால் கண்டிப்பா திரும்பி இன்னைக்கு 100 மூட்டை போட்டுக்கறோம் 1000 மூட்டை வாங்கி.
A toddler's kidnapper locked away. Police identify 5 working in tandem with the family driver. Crucial evidence seized. DMK chief pens down political vendetta, hits out at the chief minister for her decision to convert his pet project into a hospital. Will Chennai be marked on the globe of aerospace? The government is going full throttle to set up an aerospace park. Will Chennai have its first financial city? Industries minister says 187 acres have been identified at Cholinganallur and Perumbakkam. Tamil Nadu celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna in great colour and magnitude. NDTV Hindu joins in the festivity. Hello and welcome. I'm Natasha Doraiswamy, bringing you all the top stories from across the state, right from, of course, Anna Hazare and his movement across the country as well, and the state's political affairs, all coming your way. First, let's take a look at the national headlines. 28,000 people are at Ramleela Maidan this Sunday as Team Anna asks, who do you want to talk with and when? The government tries to negotiate with Anna. A senior Maharashtra bureaucrat is in Delhi to meet him. Standing Committee Chairman Abhishek Singhvi says, give the panel a chance. Who knows, we might surprise you. Hundreds of bikers in Mumbai on Harley Davidsons organized a rally in support of Anna. 27 MLAs and 2 MP supporters of Jagan Mohan Reddy threaten to resign tomorrow, protesting against the crackdown on him. Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupati are in the doubles final in Cincinnati after beating world number 1 pair Bryan Brothers. On to our top story tonight. The cry against corruption in the city only got louder today on day 6 with school and college students holding rallies and meetings in support of Anna Hazare and Jan Lokpal Bill. Demanding withdrawal of the centre's Lokpal Bill from Parliament, the Chennai chapter of India Against Corruption sought either the introduction of the Jan Lokpal or a nationwide referendum on the issue. Students and staff of Srimati Sundaravali Memorial at Krompet took out a procession from the school premises in Nagapur Nagar, carrying placards in support of Anna Hazare after the police granted permission to them.
This rally is for India Against Corruption. We students, it's our future. We are going to make the next generation to corruption-free India. Our India should be a corruption-free country.
Well, it doesn't stop at just the students and IT professionals, believe it or not, but vegetable vendors too came out to do their bit to support Anna Hazare and his team to make India a corrupt-free country. And showing their solidarity, 50 of the vegetable vendors shaved their heads clean as a symbol of unity on the issue.
அண்ணா சாருக்கு ஆதரித்து நான் ஒரு நாள் உண்ணாவிரதம் இருக்கிறோம். 30ஆம் தேதி ரிசல்ட்டு சப்போஸ் மாற்றி அமைச்சால் எங்களுக்கு லோக் மசாதா நம்மளுக்கு சாதகமாக இல்லைனால் கண்டிப்பாக திரும்பி இன்றைக்கி 100 மூட்டை போட்டுக்கிறோம் 1000 மூட்டை ஆகும் அன்றைக்கி.
ஊழல்வாதிகள் நம்மளை எல்லாரையும் மொட்டை அடிச்சிட்டாங்க. அதனால் நாங்கள் அவங்க இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்றக்காக எதிர்ப்பு தெரிவித்து நாங்கள் மொட்டை அடிக்கிறோம்.
இந்திய திருநாட்டில் ஊழல் மலிந்து விட்டதனால் அண்ணா ஆசிரியர் இந்தியாவுக்காக உண்ணாவிரதம் இருக்கிறார். அவருக்காக நாங்கள் துணை இருந்து உண்ணாவிரதம் இருக்கோம்.
And this being the weekend, even Freedom Park in Bangalore witnessed what is really a jam-packed situation with Anna Hazare supporters shouting slogans against corruption. Now, meanwhile,
Sakappa Saku, corruption Saku, Bekappa Beku, Lokpal Bill Beku. That seems to be the slogan that Bangaloreans are running. Saku means stop and Beku means we want. And obviously at this stage, this is a group of people at the Freedom Park, the historic Freedom Park in Bangalore. It's a mix of students, it's a mix of IT employees who are using their weekly off Sunday to come here to make their presence felt. This is of course a lecturer who's here to join us. What is it that brings you here? You're not going to catch up a movie at the mall?
No. When freedom is, so many are fighting over here. How can we go and sit in the malls? I am here from past 3 days, and I will be coming until this goes on.
Okay. And you're not missing college?
No, of course, today is Sunday holiday. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Wednesday, from our college. So we are going to have a bike rally. So we are all coming down from our college till Freedom Park. Whole day will be here only.
And what's your message?
I just want to send a message to the parents as well as to the actors. First message is for the parents, okay? Please don't say or don't make your children to sit at home thinking that here something is going to go on, a bomb may blast or lathi charge may happen. Nothing like that. Everything is going on in Shanti. So let your children come here. You also join them.
Be a part of peaceful protest is the message. Of course, there were some actors coming here as well. In fact, here in Bangalore, there are about 35 persons. One of them is 73 years old. They are on an indefinite fast. There's been regular medical checkup that's going on.
Meanwhile, efforts to hold back channel talks with Anna are on as part of the government strategy to engage with people who are associated with Hazare in Maharashtra. A senior bureaucrat, Umesh Sarangi, additional chief secretary of Maharashtra, is in Delhi where he is meeting Anna Hazare and his team. He's had one round of meetings with Anna. Reportedly, former chief ministers of Maharashtra, Sushil Kumar Shinde and Vilas Rao Deshmukh, have been given this particular responsibility. And Anna Hazare hit back at the government earlier today, saying his team won't stop till the Jan Lokpal bill is passed in parliament.
हम बातचीत का रास्ता बंद नहीं किया, बातचीत का रास्ता खुला है। चर्चा से ही प्रश्न छूट जाते हैं। ये आज जो सरकार में लोग हैं, ये कोई इंग्लैंड से आए नहीं, ये हमारे लोग हैं, लेकिन गद्दार बन गए। इसके कारण ये समय आ गया। तो हमारा चर्चा का रास्ता बंद नहीं है, चर्चा का रास्ता खुला है, लेकिन कितनी भी चर्चा हो जाए, जब तक लोकपाल सैंक्शन नहीं करेंगे, तब तक हम कोई पीछे नहीं लेंगे।
Well, yesterday the Prime Minister said that they were ready for talks, and now the question is, we want to ask the Prime Minister who do we talk to and where and at what time. That's what's going out today.
कल प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बोला कि हम बातचीत के लिए तैयार हैं, तो हम प्रधानमंत्री जी से बड़ी विनम्रता से पूछना चाहते हैं कि आप बताइए कि हम किससे बात करने के लिए कहां आए और कितने बजे आए।
A copy of the Jan Lokpal bill has been sent to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. The Congress today said Team Anna should not undermine the parliamentary system and give the panel a good chance.
A copy of the Jan Lokpal bill under a covering letter in the form of a representation by Mr. Praveen Aran, a member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha, has been received in the Secretariat, and one copy was sent to me directly. We will of course look into it very carefully, as indeed we are going to look into all the diverse aspects of civil society representations, political representations, governmental representation.
Well, meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal has also asked the protesters to protest in front of their MP and MLAs and ask them what bill they really want, Lokpal or Jan Lokpal.
कल अन्ना जी के अनशन को 1 हफ्ता पूरा हो जाएगा। देश के सभी लोगों से निवेदन है, अपने अपने इलाके में अपने अपने सांसदों के घर के बाहर धरना कीजिए और उनसे कहिए कि वो पब्लिकली बताएं कि वो सरकारी लोकपाल बिल के साथ हैं कि जन लोकपाल बिल के साथ हैं।
Coming up ahead on the bulletin, on a rather ambitious note, is Chennai all set to have its first financial city? Those are the big pieces of information we're bringing you on the other side.